Most people use Claude and ChatGPT for chatting. They treat it like a glorified search engine that you can have a conversation with. But what if I told you AI is one of the most powerful tools right now for building a digital products business that can make you $5,500 a week or more, like it is for me and my students right now? In this video, I'm breaking down 4 specific digital products that you can create and sell using Claude or ChatGPT. Some of them are obvious, and some of them you've probably never thought of. Plus, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can sell them without a big social media following and without using paid ads. I'm also going to show you a shortcut most beginners overlook and have never even heard of. I hadn't, and I have a master's in business. This shortcut saves you time and energy because you don't have to figure out what to create, how to create it, or how to validate it from scratch. If we haven't met yet, I'm Kimberly Latona. I've spent the last 15 years coaching entrepreneurs and building businesses. And over the last few years, I've built multiple online income streams while raising 3 young boys and working part-time hours. One of the biggest things that I've learned is this: digital products do not sell just because they exist. They sell because they solve a specific problem for a specific person. That is the part that most beginners miss. They're asking, what digital product should I make or sell? But the better question is, what painful problem can I help someone solve? Because once you understand that, selling digital products online becomes so much simpler. If you want help mapping out your digital product business, including what to sell, how to position it, and how to build a simple funnel behind it, download my free Digital Freedom Business Blueprint below. It walks you through the simple system that I recommend if you want to turn your knowledge, experience, or even a done-for-you digital product into online income without complicated tech, ads, or burnout. Okay, before we get into the 4 products, I need you to understand one thing. The type of digital product is not what determines how much money you make. Okay, not really. What determines the money is whether the product solves a real problem that people are already willing to pay to fix. That's why someone can sell a $7 guide and make thousands. Why someone else can sell a $37 ebook and make consistent income every month. Why someone else can sell a $900 digital product and make 5 figures a month. And someone else can sell a $27 per month membership and build recurring revenue. The product format matters, but the problem matters more. So as I go through these, don't just ask which one sounds the easiest. Ask which one solves the clearest problem for the person that I want to help. That is where the money is. Okay, number 1, the first digital product is one of the easiest digital products for beginners, and that is a simple ebook or guide. And when I say ebook, I do not mean a 200-page novel. Okay, I do not mean a textbook. I do not mean something that takes you 6 months to write. I mean a short, focused, immediately useful PDF that helps someone solve one specific problem. Okay, the mistake that people make with writing ebooks is thinking more pages equals more value. It does not. More clarity means more value. Okay, a 12-page guide that helps someone solve a painful problem quickly is more valuable than a 100-page ebook full of vague information. Okay, that is where AI can help a lot. You can use ChatGPT or Claude to help you outline it, organize your messy ideas, write the first draft, tighten the structure, and turn your knowledge into something easier to follow. But here's the key. AI should not replace your perspective. It should help you package it, okay? Because people are not just buying information. They can find information on Google or on AI themselves. Okay, they're buying your shortcut, your process, your experience, your way of making the result easier. So if you want to create digital products with AI, start here, okay? Start with one clear problem, make one simple guide, make it useful, make it specific, and make it easy to implement and actually get results. Okay, number 2. The second digital product that I would consider is a paid workshop. And honestly, if you're starting from scratch, this might be one of the fastest ways to make your first sale. A workshop is just a focused training that teaches one specific result. It can be live on Zoom, it can be recorded, it can be 60 minutes or up to 90 minutes. It does not need to be complicated. And the reason why workshops are so powerful is because you can pre-sell them before you even create the thing. Okay, this matters because one of the biggest mistakes that beginners make is spending weeks or months creating a digital product before they know if anyone wants it. So then when they go to sell it, they don't make any sales, okay? Crickets. But with a workshop, you can put up a simple landing page, a simple checkout page, set a date, sell seats, and then create the training once people already buy, okay? If people buy, you have validation. If people don't buy, you can just adjust the topic, the promise, or the audience before wasting any time creating anything. This is one of the best ways to sell digital products online when you're still testing your idea. And AI can make this much easier. Okay, you can use Claude or ChatGPT to help you outline the workshop, name the offer, create the agenda, write out your talking points, build a worksheet, write a sales page, write the email sequence, and turn the recording into an on-demand product afterwards. So instead of creating a giant course, you create one focused workshop that solves one specific problem. And then you can sell the replay again and again. It's that simple. Okay, that is fast. And it gives you real feedback from real buyers, which is really important. Okay, digital product number 3, a course. Okay, the third digital product is an online course. Now, courses can absolutely work. A course is usually a more structured digital product that takes someone from point A to point B through video lessons, worksheets, templates, or step-by-step modules. Okay, and because courses usually solve a bigger problem, they can often sell at a higher price point. So a course might sell for $97, $297, $497, $997, or more, depending on the problem that it solves, the value of the outcome, and the audience that's buying it. So, but here's what I want you to know. A course is not always the best first move. If you have never sold a digital product before, do not spend 6 months building a giant course in secret. Okay, that's where people get stuck. They create too much, they overthink every lesson, they keep adding more content, and then by the time they finally launch, they're exhausted. And sometimes they realize that people don't even want what they had to offer in the first place. Okay, or there's so much information that it's overwhelming and people get confused. So if you want to create a course, keep it focused. Okay, one problem, one outcome, one clear transformation. And again, AI can help you build this way faster. You could use ChatGPT or Claude to create the curriculum, outline the modules, write lesson scripts, create worksheets, build checklists, and turn your expertise into a structured learning experience. But the course still needs to solve a real problem, okay? Not just teach random information. And that is the difference between a course people buy and a course people ignore. Okay, number 4. Now, the fourth product is one of my favorite shortcuts for beginners, and that is a high quality master resale rights digital product. Okay, and this is where things get really interesting because the first 3 options, ebooks, workshops, and courses, you are creating the product yourself. And that can work, especially if you have expertise and you know what you're doing and you know what you want to create. But it also means you have to figure out what to create, how to create it, how to validate it, how to price it, how to structure it, and how to make it sure it solves an actual problem. Okay. And for a lot of beginners, that part slows everything down. A master resale rights digital product can remove that bottleneck. So instead of starting from zero, you buy the rights and resell an already created digital product and keep the 100% profit from your sales. Okay, so you're not spending months building the product. You're learning how to sell the product that already exists. And that's a huge difference. And if you've ever wondered how to use master resale rights to earn online, this is the simplest way to think about it. You're selling a digital product that already exists, and your job is to build the audience, create the content, send people to the offer, and follow up through automated email. Okay. So to be clear, this does not mean every MRR product is good. Okay. You still need to choose something that actually helps people. You still need to make sure that it solves a real problem. You still need to market ethically. Okay. And you still need to know how to position it for the right person. But the biggest benefit is that you're not stuck in product creation mode. Okay. You can plug and play and sell faster. And that is why I love this model for busy moms, beginners, and people who don't have months to build from scratch or don't have an idea yet. Because when you're working part-time hours, raising kids, homeschooling, traveling, or just trying to build a business in the margins of your life, speed matters, simplicity matters, and removing unnecessary decision fatigue matters. The first digital product that I sold was a master resale rights product. And instead of spending months creating my own course first, I was able to focus on selling, building my funnel, creating content, and getting in front of the right people. That one product helped me generate over $15,000 in my first 30 days and over $37,000 in my first 3 months. And that is why I think this is such a strong starting point because it's not magic. Okay. It's not because you do nothing. It's because it removes the hardest part for most beginners. The question, what do I even sell? Okay. Instead, you get to focus on who you're helping, what problem they want solved, how to create content that attracts them, how to build trust, how to send them to the offer, and how to follow up with a simple funnel. So now you might be wondering, okay, Kimberly, which one should I actually start with? Here's how I would think about it. If you have your own experience, knowledge, or framework, and you want the simplest self-created product, start with an ebook or guide. Okay. If you want to validate an idea quickly and make your first sale before actually building a full product, start with a workshop. If you already know what your audience wants and you want to create a higher value transformation, consider a course. Okay. And it doesn't have to be some fancy video production. Okay. You can still film it with your iPhone. And if you want the fastest path to selling products, digital products online without creating the entire product from scratch, I would seriously consider a high quality MRR or master resale rights digital product. Okay, the exact program that I started with is inside of my free Digital Freedom Business Blueprint, which you can download for free below. So, because for beginners, the goal is not to build the fanciest business. The goal is to make your first sale, then your next sale, then build a simple system that can keep bringing in leads and buyers. And that brings me to the part that most people skip. Because choosing the product is only step one. You still need a way to sell it. Okay? So here's the simple system that I recommend. This is my exact system. The traffic goes to your freebie, which leads to your email list and then leads to your offer. Okay, that is it. Do not overcomplicate this. You do not need a giant audience. You do not need to post on every platform. You do not need ads to start. You do not need a complicated website. This is exactly how to sell digital products online without marketing investment. You create useful content that attracts the right buyers and the right person. You offer a freebie that helps them take the next step. You collect their email address. You nurture them through email, which is an automated sequence that you write once. Then you invite them to buy your digital product. That is the entire system. Okay. For me, I love YouTube because it works like a search engine. A YouTube video can keep bringing in views, leads, and buyers weeks, months, and even years after you post it. And that is very different from a post that disappears within 24 hours. But you can use the same system with Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, or whatever platform you're most consistent on. Okay, the platform matters less than the system. If you're wondering about the best platform to sell digital products online, I would keep it simple. Use YouTube or Instagram for content and free traffic. Use System.io for your funnel, your email list, your checkout page, and your product delivery. Use Canva for design. Use Stripe for payments. Okay, you do not need a complicated tech stack. Simple scales, complex fails. Okay, so now if you're thinking, but I don't have a big audience yet, or I'm starting from scratch, or zero, or I have no followers, that is exactly why I like this model. Okay, you don't need a huge audience. You need the right message. You need a specific person, a simple offer, and you need consistency. Okay, this is the same principle whether you're selling an ebook, a workshop, a course, a membership, or a master resale rights digital product. Okay, the biggest mistake that I see beginners make is trying to build the whole business before they make the sale. They want the perfect brand, the perfect logo, the perfect website, the perfect Instagram grid, the perfect course, the perfect niche. And while they're perfecting everything, they're not selling anything. I made this mistake for years. Okay, you do not need a perfect offer. You need clear. You need a clear problem, clear person, clear offer, clear next step. That's it. And that is what I teach my students. That's why I teach my students to start with one product, not 10. Okay? One product, one audience, one simple funnel, one clear message. Because once you get that working, then you can improve it. You can add bonuses, you can build a membership, you can create your own course, then you can scale. But you do not need to do all of that on day one. You need a starting point that gets you into motion so that you can build momentum and start making sales. Okay, so if I were brand new and I wanted to start selling digital products online as quickly as possible, here's exactly what I would do. First, I would choose one specific audience. Not everyone who wants to make money online, okay? A specific person. So for example, busy moms who want flexible income, or homeschool moms who need simple systems, women over 40 who want to start an online business, okay? Second, I would choose one painful problem, not a vague desire, a real problem. Third, I would choose the product. Okay, if I had my own framework, I might create a simple guide. If I wanted to test a topic, I might sell a workshop. If I wanted a more complete offer, I might build a course. And if I wanted speed, I would start with a high quality master resale rights digital product so I could skip the product creation and focus on selling and making money as soon as possible. So fourth, I would build the simplest funnel possible. Okay, one freebie, one email sequence, one checkout page, one offer. That's it. And fifth, I would create content every week that answers the questions my ideal buyer is already asking. And honestly, this is why support matters so much. Okay? Because most people don't fail because they're incapable. They fail because they're trying to figure out too many things at once. They're trying to choose the product, create the product, write the emails, build the funnel, make the content, learn the tech, stay consistent, all while living an actual life. Okay? All while lifing or parenting, right? Or adulting. And that is a lot. And that is exactly why I created the Digital Freedom Collective. It's for women who want a simple path to digital product income without burnout, hustle, or trying to piece together everything from random videos online. Inside, I help you simplify the model, choose the right offer, build the funnel, create content that leads to sales, and actually stay focused long enough to get it working. So whether you're creating your own product or starting with a done-for-you master resale rights digital product, the goal is the same. Build a simple digital product business that can support more freedom in your real life. More time, more options, more breathing room, more income without constantly trading hours for dollars. So if you want help figuring out what type of digital product makes most sense for you and how to build a simple funnel behind it, don't forget to download my free Digital Freedom Business Blueprint below in the first link below. And now that you know of the 4 AI digital products that you can sell online, the next question is, how do you actually turn one digital product into consistent 10K income with a simple automated funnel? And that is what I break down in the next video. So watch that next, because once you understand the funnel behind the product, everything starts to click. See you in the next video.